This is for Year 12 Further Maths. We're going to exercise 8F, question 5. Okay, so a loan of $3,500 is charged at an interest rate of 6% per annum, compounded monthly. And we want to find the value of the loan after n months. Now, the trickiest part about compound interest is we need to know the compound period, monthly. So every year there are, so 1 year equals 12 months. So if you're going to use n values in months, to get the value after 1 year, you're not going to find V1 anymore. You're going to have to find V12, because V12 means your 12 months. Okay, so you've got to be really careful with understanding what your n value is. So if you define your n value in years, 5 years later would be just be V5. Okay, but if it's in terms of months, then 5 years later would be 60, V60. So you got to be really careful with your VNs. So write down the rule of the loan after n months. Now, before we even do that, this interest rate is per annum. We want it to be in monthly rate. Okay, so the interest rate is 6 divided by our compound frequency, which is months. So there's 12 months in a year. 6 divided by 12.5% per month. I always like to write this because it makes it clear as to like how much I'm earning per what period, okay, per month. So write down the rule. So Vn is given by V0, which is 3,300 times. Now, this is my small r value. I need to convert this to a big R value. We're earning something, so we're increasing. So big R is given by 1 plus small r divided by 100. If you enter that on your calculator, you should get 0.005. Okay, so you got to be careful. So it's 0.005. Okay. Now, 0.005 to the power n. Use a rule to find the value of the loan after 10 months. Okay, that's pretty easy. V10 equals 3300 times 1.005 times 10. So use a calculator. 3300 times 1.005 to the power 10. 3468.76. Okay, 3468.76. 3468.76. Round to decimal places. Make sure you have $sign. How much interest has been charged over 10 years? Okay, so what's happening here is that our investment growing steadily. It's growing. What's the difference between V0, our initial amount, which is 3,100, and V10? Because V10 is given by 3300 times 1.05 times to the power 10. So if I take the difference of V10 minus V0, I actually get the interest earned. Because if I take away the principal amount that I invested, whatever is left over must be whatever I get interest, or get charge interest, sorry, we're not earning anything, we get charge interest from the loan. So if I subtract V10 or V0 from V10, I should get the interest charge. So V10 is given by 3300 times 1.005 to the power 10 minus V0, which is 3300. Now, if you're not comfortable with doing it in one line, just work them out separately and subtract them. Okay. Oops. So you just do it on the cats. So go 3300 times 1.5 times 10 minus 3,300. I'm just going to do one line. 168.76. Okay, so $168.76. And that's how you work it out. Okay. Now, hypothetically, what if it asked me how much interest was charged in the 9th month? How much interest charged in 9th month? All you need to do is you just subtract the 8th month, the value of the 8th month from the value of the 9th month, and the difference between that is the interest you earned in the 9th month. Okay, so sometimes I ask you questions like that. It hasn't got that complicated yet, but it's just asked you how much interest is charged over 10 months. So you just subtract V10 from V0, so whatever's left over must be the interest charge. Hopefully it helps.